Today, we are going to learn the present progressive. Is this you? Hey, what are you doing? I walk. Oh, like, do you walk every day? No, right now. Aha! You are walking. What's present progressive? Well, I'm glad you asked. So you take the word to be and another verb and you combine them to describe an action that you are doing right now. For example, I am typing. I took the verb to be and to type and I combined them together to say that right now I am typing. Follow me. I am walking. I am walking. I am walking. I am talking on the phone. I am peeling an orange. I am peeling an orange. But what if I wanted to say he or she? Let's give this some exercises. Ooh. He is jumping. He is jumping. He is coughing. He is coughing. He is watching TV. He is, she is watching TV. But what if there's somebody else that I want to talk about? They're doing something right now. How do I say that? They are watching TV. They are. I am. You are. He, she, it is. So he is. She is. It is. We are. You all are. They are. So you take these forms of to be and you add another verb with ing endings. In summary, present progressive, to be, and a verb. So it can be to be, to walk. These are the infinitive forms. You take to walk, get rid of to, now you have walk. Now add ing with the proper form of to be, which would be I am. And now you're talking about how right now I am walking. I hope this video helped you learn present progressive. I hope I was able to simplify things down. If you have any other grammatical tenses that you would like explained in a very simple and illustrative way, leave a comment down below, like the video, subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.